Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name is Gilang Kripsyadi Pradamdana, and I will present the result of the research entitled Lengyu Register on Debt Collector at Illegal Fintech Lending Companies Online Loans, Default Debt Collector that Impact Legal Product Forensic Linguistic. Lengyu Register on Debt Collector at Illegal Fintech Lending Companies Online Loan Against All Debt Collector that Impact Legal Product Forensic Linguistic. Asep Jailani, Gilang Kripsyadi Pradamdana, and Tiffany Kausar. Introduction. Communication has an important role in everyday life, and all of the cannot be separate from the function of a Lengyu. Lengyu is a system of arbitrary sound symbol used by people to work together, interact, and identify themselves. The base unit of Lengyu that produce communication of it is sociolinguistic as a branch of linguistic view or place the position of Lengyu in relation to Lengyu user in society, because in social life humans are no longer as individual but as social community. Erroneous communication is often misused, all of which has caused an effect because human is speaking will always be influenced by situation and condition around them. By definition, register is a variation of language used for a particular purpose, community, or job profession. For example, the field of journalism, military, agriculture, trade, education, and so on. Chair, register is a variety of language used for a scientific purpose as opposed to social and regional dialect, which vary due to speaker, then in developed and was born of the register language variation. Among illegal non-OJK otoritas jasa keuangan, fintech debt collector, illegal online loans, which became an important concern for law enforcement in Indonesia, become one of the concern of debt collector victim because there are so many registered language variation and confidential in this community, which generally has the potential for intimidating language. And literature review on my research: sociolinguistic, language variation, and register. Sociolinguistic assume the relationship between language and society, which link to fields that can be studied separately, namely the formal structure of language by linguistics and the structure of society by sociology. And language variation, Mariono define the form of language variation in the form of idiolect, dialect, speech level, language variation, and register. Focus register, the register according to Halliday is a semantic concept that can be defined as an arrangement of meaning that is speciality associated with a certain agreement of field, actor, and mean. Expression of register meaning agreement include expression of lexicon, grammatical, and phonological feature the specialty, company, or express meaning. And research method. The method will be used in the research is descriptive research. According to Sudaryanto, suggests the descriptive research is research that is carried out only based on a stating fact of phenomena that are empirical in the speaker, so that what is produced is in the form of language variant, which are usually said to be portrait, exposures, and they are. This research is descriptive because the new present is in the form of a narrative description obtained based on the situation under study. Research and discussion. The result of the research that have been carried out have present various form and function of registering debt collector in communication on WhatsApp social media. The data is divided into register form. Register form, register selingkung terbuka, register lingual register. Register selingkung terbuka. This form of register is more open with informal or spontan language. This register form also has a meaning associated with register. Hasil percakapan dari data gambar WhatsApp. Debt collector. Awal Juni. Nggak ada otak lu. Anjing bener, mau main-main lu sama gua. Oke, gua bikin lebaran tahun ini malu sekeluarga. Nasabah, speak nasabah ancaman lagi. This form conversation from the narrative do not use official language, showing the form of open envelope register. Discuss register selingkung terbuka. Register is more often with informal or spontaneous language. This register from also meaning associated with register. Second, lingual register. This lingual register is a form that goes through a morphological process, namely abbreviation. Abbreviation is the process of beheading on or several part of a lexeme to a combination of lexeme resulting in a new form with the status of a word. Sujalil. Data hasil percakapan debt collector. Yang nggak bisa bodoh, siapa yang mau merubah hari raya ke kantor libur hari Rabu. In the conversation, there are words YG yang have gone through a morphological process and are considered to have the same meaning. YG yang. As words are included in the lingual register category. YG yang. Register function. This context register function are the same as language function. According to Halliday, language has 7 functions, namely instrumental, regulatory, receptional, interactional, personal, heuristic, and imaginative function. Instrumental function is a language function that can be used to persuade and have an effect on the interlocutor or listener. The instrumental function can be used to regulate the behavior of the interlocutor or listener so that believe the information conveyed is correct and accountable fact. Data hasil percakapan debt collector. Iya, pinjaman anak Anda di sini 1,7 sudah keterlambatan tempo 25 hari. Kalau Anda mau membayarkan sekarang saya kasih 2 juta itu lunas. The collector's compensation there is good. Jika dibayarkan sekarang saya kasih 2 juta lunas. The speaker tries to persuade and influence the speaker to follow direction. Jika dibayarkan sekarang saya kasih 2 juta lunas. This is an instrumental function because the speaker tries to persuade and influence the speaker to follow direction. Jika dibayarkan sekarang, saya kasih dulu. Second function, problem solving function. In my research, the problem solving function or heuristic is the function of use language content in expression that ask for according to our state and answer to a problem or problem. Same data. Conclusion. After conducting research on the register of illegal fintech debt collector in communication on WhatsApp, it can be concluded the data found is classified into two parts, namely form and function. The form of register found from the result and this study are the form of the lingual register and the often employed register. The form of the lingual register consists of forms that have gone through a morphological process and the abbreviation. Then the often employed register has a more open meaning and language that is not official or spontaneous. In addition to register form, languages are also found or in this context can also be called register function. The function was found to be defined into two parts, namely instrumental function and problem-solving heuristic. The most dominant form is often implemented because the collector contains more language the aim to influence, threaten, scare, and remind, most of which use informal language. It is clear from several findings that the form and function of screenshot data WhatsApp register that are conveyed to customer are dominant in the form of language that which when examined in depth lead to the context of a speech and have the potential to produce legal report.